wanted to come back real quick. So I was just now on YouTube, and I was in line to get my son's food, and I saw where a young lady, 19 years old, and I'm not sure, and I'm gonna post the link so you can view it, started a GoFundMe saying that she had pancreatic cancer and it was terminal, and she had collected over $30,000 in the GoFundMe. She even had the Pancreatic Cancer Society. She was actually, speaking on their behalf in one of her videos. I think they had her on the local news and everything. And so what happened was people started calling her out on it because she would show herself like one of the medical correspondents for, I forget what news station. He said that when they looked at it, they was like, nah, that's not the type of tape that we use, and then that's not the area where the port would actually be. So see, what people fail to understand is you don't know who is your audience. Like right now, I may have a professor, maybe a doctor, a lawyer, a nurse, or something watching me. So you get on there lying, people gonna fact check, right? So you get on there on your platform lying, people are gonna call you out on it. And that's how they discovered that she was lying, because her stories wasn't adding up. Stories weren't adding up. So why lie? Why lie? You're 19 years old. Go to college and live your life. So now she had fraud charges because the man, like the lady said, not only was a lie, it was illegal. You were getting that money on a fraudulent, because of fraud, basically. Isn't that sad? And you know what the society said? They said that was just, to me, I was appalled, because you actually have people suffering with this disease. You understand what I'm saying? You taking away something that could have been given to somebody who really needed it. That's shameful. Shame on you for doing that. And then if her parents were actually aware of it, shame on them too. Anybody in her family that knew she was doing that, they're all wrong. And that's just a disgrace. There is no way I would do things like that. There is no way. This big truck needs to get over. Get your ass up. Excuse me. Riding the line and going on that big old truck. But anyway, yeah, it's, y'all, here go another one. What's their problem today? Stay in your lane. But yeah, so the nerve of some people. Wow. That's all I can say. But I'm going to share that so y'all can look at it. And can you believe it? Just can you believe it? I'm going to share it. Talk to y'all later. Bye.
Yeah, I get a lot of questions about my hair. Like, you look so good. Like, how are you keeping your hair? It just comes down to my brand of chemo, which is oral chemo. I got really lucky with that. So thank goodness, fingers crossed. That's something to be so grateful for.